First this evening, new details on how investigators took down an international child pornography ring with ties to the Tampa Bay area. You're watching 10 Tampa Bay. I'm Courtney Robinson.
And I'm Dave Wagner. Investigators are calling this the most horrific case of child pornography they've ever worked. And 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser explains what they uncovered.
The beginning of this investigation actually dates back to July, when FDLE agents were simply doing what they do, scouring the internet for bad guys dealing in child pornography. First a chat room, that led to a website, then a purchase of photos and videos that exposed what they are calling an international network of evil.
What these guys were doing was truly heinous.
Agents with the FDLE, Homeland Security, and state prosecutors all had the same reaction.
The level and brutality of these images are sickening, and I've seen a lot.
The FDLE says through a now shut down website called TributePrintedPics.com, they were able to set up and purchase more than 1.2 million videos and photos, all for $100.
When they told me $100 got me 1.2 million, I just, what are we doing? I mean, that's very concerning.
The images, say investigators, are of real children in the United States. Some, they say, likely brought across the border illegally.
Real, identifiable children whose names are in the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children.
At least 7 of those arrested are from Florida, 2 from the Tampa Bay area. Israel Thompson from Lakeland and Brett Allen Snodderly from Clearwater.
I see kids running around here all the time, so I hope it's not one of those kids that he has pictures of or anything like that.
For now, the man who the FDLE identifies as the ringleader, Mehmet Bozuyuk, is still at large in Turkey. Agents say they're working to have him arrested and extradited to Florida. All of those arrested so far have been booked into the Hillsborough County Jail. If convicted, each faces between 40 and 60 years in prison. In Tampa, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay.
Other law enforcement agencies said they had also been working to have the same website shut down, and they were grateful to FDLE for getting this done. Florida's Attorney General also specifically singled out TikTok as a platform where suspects in these rings recruit and communicate, and said all social media sites should work hard to detect and shut down this sort of content.